How to get credits in Hailuo AI. In this video, I'll show you how you can get credits on Hailuo AI. So, want to create amazing AI videos with Hailuo? Let's talk about how you can get credits, the fuel that powers your creation. First, the good news. Every registered user gets 200 free credits per day. That means you can experiment, test styles, and generate short videos without spending a cent. But if you're ready to level up, Hailu offers subscription plans. This gives you a bigger pool of credit each month, perfect for longer videos or professional projects. Want even more? Keep an eye out for promotions, tutorials, and community events. Hailu sometimes rewards extra credits when you participate. So here's a pro tip. Use your free credits for experimenting and save your paid credits for polished final outputs. That way you get the most value out of every credit. So whether you're just starting out or building professional AI videos, credits are your key to unlocking creativity.